Hello you guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Saturday, it is April 1st, which I did not realize all this morning, basically up until this point, so it's like 2 o'clock right now. I've been just getting my life together like in every way. I didn't film a main channel monthly reset this month since I feel like I've just been posting a lot of those on my main channel and not a lot of much else. So all morning I was doing my little reset and I posted it on Reels and TikTok if you are curious. So I knew it was April 1st, but then I was just scrolling through and like so many brands April Fool's posts were getting me. Like I saw this one, it was for like Tone It Up. They posted that they were coming out with a bacon and eggs protein powder and I was like, in what world does anyone think that's a good idea? I've just been getting fooled left and right, but I have missed you guys here on this channel and just my YouTube fam in general. I feel like I just get like a big idea and I run with it. So the other day I decided that now is the time of year people are planning their like big international trips. And so I was like, oh, I just should do like a all-encompassing TikTok travel series about my Europe trip. So I spent several days last week getting all kinds of TikToks made, hotel reviews, like itineraries specific to all the cities we went to. So those are all set for the next like several weeks for TikTok. And overall, just in my personal life, I've been having so many social activities lately and I am more introverted. So then when I'm at home, I don't even really want to like hear myself talking to the camera. Like I want some peace and quiet. But I have missed you guys and I thought we would kick off this vlog with something I'm excited about. I wanted to do a little unboxing of something I ordered from West Elm. So this is kind of part 1 of 2 because I have a second similar item in the mail, but it's back ordered, so you know, only God and UPS knows when that's gonna get here. But what is in here is a little side table that have a couple options of places to put it. Oh, it's so cute. So this is what it looks like. I think this is so cute. I just love this pattern here that goes in. Do not recall that it was gonna look like this. Or that like this was what the kind of material it was, like a cementy vibe. But I think it's so cute. So a couple of options for where to put this would be first, this plant right here actually used to be on a little side table, which we have since moved over to right here to go under this plant in our little plant corner. Either it could go back under that one. There's another plant over in this corner that I never really thought about elevating, but that's an option. Or you're gonna have to use your imagination for this one, but this corner in the half bathroom downstairs that everyone uses, there used to be a side table here that had like a pretty vase and like some things on it. Right now this has been storing some Amazon stuff that I got. I think this is probably gonna be the best place for it. Okay, I put it in this corner. What do we think? I can't tell if like this plant looks too tall, like if it's better just on the ground or if it like fills a little bit more space, and that's a good thing. I just think it's so cute. I hate to stick this one in the bathroom because the second one I'm getting is a little bit more plain. Hello from the next day, because yesterday I didn't actually end up doing anything besides Giselle and I finished watching The Last of Us, which we loved. We've been watching it and then I don't know how we keep like forgetting about it, and so it took us like a month to watch that for some reason. Normally we binge everything, but loved that show. Interesting ending. I don't know how I feel about it. If you watched it, let me know what you think. I just got home from a boxing class, got my sweet green for lunch. Giselle is currently at her boxing class. We go to separate places the majority of the time. Also, I just saw one of you guys there and it had me thinking, because normally when I go to Rumble, I'm just by myself, which I'm all good with, but it is nice to like, I feel like back in the day when I went like pre-COVID, I feel like I had such a community like at Rumble, like of people that I just met there that were like, we'd all go to the same classes and it was just like really fun. And I definitely, I mean, I don't see those people there anymore, ever. So it got me thinking, if you guys go there or if you would want to go there, I'm not gonna publicly announce to the masses like when I go there for safety purposes, but if you wanna message me, I'm happy to tell you when I go, and or if you, I don't know, you know, if you want to coordinate sometime. I'm gonna have my sweet cream. I don't know what really Giselle and I are gonna do today. It's so nice out, finally. I'm a little bit upset because, so it's been raining as like every influencer has probably talked your ear off about. And this coming weekend, it's gonna be like 86, like 80s all weekend long for Easter weekend, which is so nice. And of course, this is the weekend I'm going out of town. I'm gonna be in Nashville randomly just for fun. Giselle and I, or Giselle's never been. So we've been talking about wanting to go. So we're going to Nashville and it's gonna be raining. It appears, hopefully that will change, but it's gonna be raining in Nashville. If you want some, you lose some. I think later today, we might, if we're still feeling ambitious, we might go tour some open houses. Not that I am like seriously looking. Of course, if like the right thing for the right price came along, then like that would be amazing. But obviously in LA, not much is realistic. But I think we might just for fun go look at some houses. Happy Sunday. Hope all of you guys are having a great day when you're watching this. I switched my sweet green orders up between the kale Caesar and add hot sauce, or a like create my own bowl. And so today we're going with the classic kale Caesar. Also, as an update, Giselle did not like the table here, which I kind of agree. I think there's like too much going on now, like too many different heights. I don't know. So I guess this is gonna go in the bathroom. So we'll only see it when we go pee. All right, we are in the car. My hair looks weird. I didn't curl it. I like let it air dry and then I curled a couple front pieces, but I don't know. Giselle told me I looked like a Southern belle. And I was like, that's not a compliment to me.
In the best way.
Yeah, the music is scary. The music is scary. What? Giselle, where are we now?
We're in the Asian store.
I want to try like all the, she's explaining what things are. All right, we're back home from touring the house. It's gonna be a no, as suspected. I feel like it's good to like just start getting an idea of like different areas in LA, because like for like the price that we would probably like want to pay, it's looking like we're gonna need to go to like more of the outskirts of LA, which I'm not as familiar with those neighborhoods. So I think it's good that we just continue to, you know, go tour open houses or just drive around different areas and kind of get a feel for it. The place we toured today was around $1 million, which is like a great value for LA. And they had a really pretty pool, like good backyard. The inside, it was nice, but like it didn't feel as nice as where we live now. And so I'm just kind of in this like debate back and forth in my own head of like, obviously it's not a great idea to just keep throwing money away on rent, but it's like, how much do I want to sacrifice to take like that quality step down, both in terms of area, in terms of like what my place is like, potentially in terms of safety. You guys know I've had my issues with here, but like where we looked was definitely a step below that even. So it's like, what is worth the trade-off in order to own and like have that equity versus like just keep paying rent to like enjoy things a little bit more. So I don't know. This one's still gonna be crossed off the list because there were some things that we did not like about it as well. It was just like the main like living area. The outside was so nice, but it was kind of an open floor plan, which also in a perfect world, I don't want. Like I would love to have a formal living room or like, you know, a formal dining room, but I could get past that. However, they really took some liberties with editing the photos. It made it look like very bright. Really like the whole main living area was pretty dark, like the bedrooms were bright. There just weren't a lot of windows like in the main living area. Since that's where you're gonna be spending the majority of your time, I know how much that would affect my mood of like feeling just like it's really dark in there when like this place is so bright. Anyways, it was just like we were trying to justify too many things when like we didn't even go into this seriously looking, you know? So that's an X. Did not love the area, but at least now we know to like not look in that region. We are now back home. We stopped at a grocery store on the way back as well. Got a bunch of stuff. I'll do a little haul and we're gonna make a new recipe for dinner. Here is our grocery haul. Some of this is just for Giselle, but we got some ramen noodles because I want to make ramen again one night this week. Some bok choy, some miso, some peeled garlic. I don't know why we haven't like bought this sooner. We got some great prices on ginger. Like this whole thing of green onions, like Trader Joe's could never, or Trader Joe's was sold out all the time. And these were like $2 or $3. Kimchi for Giselle, stocked up on sesame seeds, a new little soup spoon because we had two and then one of them just ran away from home. So Giselle got some soju. I don't actually even know what that is. Then we got some sake and then just some other miscellaneous things. What is tonight's? Oh, you're wearing your hurricane shirt. I didn't even realize.
One of my favorite shirts.
What's tonight's meal?
It is spicy peanut noodles.
And it tastes so good. Giselle said soju is gross. What is soju?
It's like vodka.
It's alcohol?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like vodka. I thought it'd be like sweeter.
I was picturing that was like a non-alcoholic juice. I don't know anything. Anyways.
Specifically, I know I hate to put you on a brief hold again, but do you mind if I'll look that up just to be certain?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Just one moment, Morgan. Thanks for holding.
Perfect, thank you. When your flight gets changed, and now there's an unrealistic layover on the way to Croatia, so now we're gonna change it. Hello from yet another day. I think this is definitely the most like jumping around vlog that I've posted in 2023. I'm sorry about, I did not go into this thinking this was gonna be like one clip a day. This week has just been crazy. Like I'm tempted to scrap this vlog altogether, but I'm about to be going out of town here in 2 days on Thursday. If I'm ever not vlogging, it's probably because I'm having a chaotic week as I am this week. Like just every day has been so crazy, also because it's like the last second and I'm getting together all my tax stuff. This has just been very time consuming. That's like still my #1 task today, but before I go out of town here on Thursday, I need to finish taxes. I need to finish filming a video, like a spring cleaning main channel video. Edit my TikToks for the week. Post a reel that's already edited, so that's fine. Continue with, I haven't even talked about this, but I have been doing the 75 soft challenge. You know, people do 75 hard. So I have been doing 75 soft, started it a couple weeks ago. I'm doing a main channel video that's like vlog style, showing my first 2 weeks of that and like getting into all the details. So that'll be on my main channel soon. I need to kind of edit that together. Just so many things. Need to get my nails done. I need to shoot my Fabletics stuff for the month. There's a gifting suite I'm going to tomorrow, which is very exciting, but like, do I have the time? I mean, I get comments a lot saying that people think I have my life together, and there are times where I do. And then there's times where the fridge looks like this, so. Yeah, I'm planning to go to a boxing class here in a couple hours. I've been in a good routine with that, going like 2 to 3 times a week, as well as doing a bunch of co-pilot workouts here at home. I'm really on my grind with that. To get back to trying to finish my taxes. So this is the task that awaits me. This shoebox is full of expense receipts, like business expenses from the past year. This is my last step on my taxes, is needing to add these up. It was definitely an above average year for my receipt collection. Like these are the ones from Europe. This, like, they are packed in here. Since I was traveling so much last summer, like I can business expense some of that, since obviously I was filming so much travel content. You guys, it is like the whole day later. I did not go to Rumble because I knew I did not have the 2 hours total to get over there driving wise. So I'm just gonna do a co-pilot workout here later, which will then save me like the hour of driving basically. It took so long, but I'm finally done. Everything is in my spreadsheet. You guys, I literally just now finished and it is 4 p.m. Tonight, Giselle asked if I wanted to have a little date night in, and it's a surprise, so I don't know what that's gonna entail. I'm assuming she's cooking something. That's gonna be a surprise, which I'm very excited for. There's an update on my to-do list. I've edited my spring cleaning video up to this point. Got my this vlog footage all imported. I also just ordered potentially a couple outfits for my trip that I overnighted, so they should be here tomorrow. They may be a hit or miss. Got my TikTok edited and up for the day for my travel series. So yeah, everything else basically on my to-do list is gonna have to wait till tomorrow because I'm just gonna have to wake up really early because Giselle, like literally I think like in 2 minutes she said to be downstairs. I have no clue what she's doing down there. I've been hearing like the door alarms, like they chime every time a door opens. So she's been going inside and outside a lot. So I thought maybe we're going to like a drive-in movie theater or something, because I'm like, what would she be doing in the garage? But then she went to Trader Joe's, so I don't know. I'm about to be surprised by whatever's happening downstairs, and in the next couple of minutes, I'm gonna like put on some light makeup, maybe change my clothes, even though this is just a little at-home date. But what did you do? What did you do? What? What the heck? Oh my gosh! You made Mediterranean, and we're gonna have a little hangout on the carpet. We're having a picnic. Like I did when I was a kid. There's games. Today is Wednesday. I meant to start this vlog this morning, but I was rushing to get ready. I just got back from an event every year around this time. I'm not going to Coachella this year, but I feel like so many brands do their like festival showrooms and gifting suites and things. So there's this one, I don't go to the most events. I went to like one Amazon event last week, and then there was this gifting suite event, but this like one event is like the one I will go to every single year. They just have really great brands. So I'm gonna do a little haul. All right, so here is the haul. This is I think it's like an agency that hosted it. But first of all, honestly, what was the most fun is that we got to do a pistachio tasting. They had 6 different flavors, and it was like a flight of pistachios, and they were pairing them with like different beers, but it was 10 in the morning. So they let us take the beers to go from Santa Monica Brew Works, which I'm really excited about. And we got some self-tanning goods from this brand that I haven't tried. We got some stuff from Image Skincare. They were also doing facials at the event. Got some Love Beauty and Planet goodies. We got some Sunbum goods. I've been living off of Sunbum sunscreen like that I hoarded at an event like literally 4 years ago, and I've been running low. So that is great to have. This was a setting spray from the brand Euphoria, which I'd never heard of, so I definitely thought that she said Euphoria. Got some Grande Cosmetics brow serum. Some jewelry from this brand St. Liz. This is just a little necklace. I got these CBD daily drops because you guys know I'm anxious. This brand I'm actually very excited about. We'll see if it tastes good. It is like a healthier alternative to Tums, which is great. So just better ingredients. They had free Vans there, but they did not have my size. Me and Caitlin, we wanted the little white ones, like the platform white ones, and so did every other basic girl, so they were sold out. So I get to order those. Cute little scrunchie, some liquid IV. Lastly, how could I forget? Cowpack was also there, and their brand rep that was working, she said that she's watched my videos since she was like a kid, so that is crazy. So that was so sweet, but I just got a little carry-on. Definitely not short on luggage, but besides my base ones that I have, all my suitcases are like family ones that my family has had like my entire life, so can probably upgrade one of those. But yeah, I'm just very excited for all this new stuff. The Cowpack is just on its own, just walking away. Fun fact, the floors in my house are not completely even. So it's just been a great morning right now. It's like 11:30. I've just been a busy bee around here, but hope you enjoy seeing what's been going on. It is now the end of the day. What time is it? It's like 6:30, I think, or maybe a little bit later. I've been filming the entire day for my main channel. I still have to pack. I got this box of stuff in from Revolve. Giselle picked up dinner. Where's your dinner?
Right there.
Oh.
We're waiting for you.
Oh, you're waiting for me? Sweet green for me, Chipotle for Giselle. She got there to pick up my sweet green and somebody had already taken it. A thief. They had to remake it. Anyways.
Salad thief.
Salad thief. Big offense.